Hello stalkers, welcome back. DFM market index today closed negative. Let's start analyzing. I'm on the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. Today it has printed a red candle. If you remember in my yesterday's video I had mentioned market broke minor resistance of 5,478 points. There are good chances either it can come back for a retest. In this scenario it will act as a demand or support area. And from here potentially we can see upside momentum again. This is scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 was market may continue going higher. In that case we have strong resistance at 5,565 points. In either ways both the scenarios are positive because a small pullback is obviously healthy for the market. Tomorrow is Friday, we do not usually see big volumes, so I think market may come down to revisit the stronger support that is 5,393 points. This should not be considered bearish. From here I'm expecting again a new leg to the upside, or it can establish a base here, continue going sideways for about few days and then potentially a move to the upside. In both the scenarios, as I mentioned, whether it comes down for a retest or continues going up, it's bullish. If we look at the previous data or if we look at the low right from this zone, we are seeing a nice momentum to the upside, small pullback, again a move to the upside, a small pullback was seen last week, and from here we are seeing continuously green candles. So obviously market needs to take a breather. If at all it spends time here, then be ready for another big momentum. If it comes down, in this scenario also it's positive. Overall, DFM market index is positive. Weekly candle close is very important. So let's see how it closes tomorrow. On the other hand, ADX market index has sustained. It has printed an indecisive candle. Yes, during the day it revisited this zone. As we had discussed in yesterday's video, with this solid green candle, market index broke two important areas of resistance. First one is 9,688, second one is 9,727. After the breakout, today market successfully retested and closing is above it. So obviously this is positive. After a big momentum, it's quite healthy if it is taking a pause so that we can expect more upside momentum from here. However, tomorrow is Friday, so we never know. We might see some profit booking in the market. I'm still counting on this support area that is 9,688, that is more stronger than this area. So if at all it comes down, then definitely I would be interested to see market into this zone and then a new leg to the upside. I'm looking at 9,815, that is next area of strong resistance. ADX market is moving in different fashion. Check this out. It moves up, goes sideways, makes a bullish pattern, breakout, again it goes sideways, and then it breaks out. So something important here is this time the move to the upside was not very big. As we saw previously, moves were quite big, but this time move is smaller, the pause is also smaller. Now we are ready to see what will happen after this momentum. Either market may come down to retest or it may make a new high and touch 9,815. Overall, ADX market index is also very bullish. This is the daily chart of Multiply. No doubt we are seeing nice momentum to the upside. If I have to measure the move right from this area where rally started from and till the high that it made today, that is 2.40, so we can see almost 14% move is already made, and this area is very strong resistance. By the way, I had uploaded a video about Multiply previously. Just in case if you have missed that video, I will provide a iCard. Do watch that video. We had planned how to enter after this candle. So today's candle is a bit tricky. We are seeing indecisive candle, but at the same time I would consider this as a pause candle after this strong bullish candles. We know 2.35 is strong resistance because previously right here on this day, that is around October 4th or October 5th onwards, we saw aggressive selling to the downside. So definitely there are plenty of bag holders. After many months now Multiply has visited this zone, so definitely we might see some selling pressure. If at all I go down to lower time frame, we can see it's struggling to make a breakout. This is the 30 minutes chart of Multiply. After this move, when it hit the resistance, it was not able to move up. We can see it made an attempt today, but it was a failure. It came back again at 2.33 area. So this is the place where Multiply as of now is consolidating. We are seeing contraction of volatility. From here there are very good chances, if at all it makes a move, if it wants to clear the resistance, if it wants to take out the sellers, then we will see a big upside momentum. In this scenario, we have resistance at 2.46. On the negative side, if at all buyers are not strong, sellers are aggressive, then it will break down the range. You will get an indication when it breaks the low of this candle, that is 2.33. If it breaks down, then definitely this should be your stop loss. I'm expecting it to come down till about 2.29. If it does not hold here, then we have next area of strong support at 2.22, where we saw the starting of this strong rally to the upside. So multiply is still positive. If at all tomorrow it opens flat or with a gap up, I would wait and see for first 15 minutes how it's behaving, and then I will plan my entries. Since it has moved up by 18% already, any entries now should be in small quantities. We cannot take big quantities. Reason is, if at all it starts to come down, and if we take big quantities here, our loss will be bigger. So taking in small quantities will not harm us, because we will plan our stop loss exactly at 2.33. In this scenario, if it continues going up, then definitely we are in the trade. Our resistance is at 2.46. If it comes down, then we are ready to give small stop loss. So this should be your plan of action for tomorrow in multiply. My personal view, since it has maintained its sustaining above the resistance, that definitely this is giving us an indication that buyers are holding. There are new buyers still joining the trade. From here, there are chances we may see upside momentum. Overall, no doubt, multiply has started trending up. It's bullish. Hit the like button, guys, if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.